What's going on, YouTube? I think it's time I'm gonna do my final stash update for 4th of July 2023. I'm at my mom's house. The backyard's super cramped right here, so it's a little everywhere, but as you can see, I got a lot of stuff. So we'll start off right here. This is just a mix-up of family packs because I've been lighting stuff off here and there. So this is just a mix-up of 3 different family packs that I've had. Got another one right there. Just a bunch of shells. I got like 20 ball shells, like 24 of these little mini cans. Whole bunch of shit. This bag right here is just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff, firecrackers, a bunch of bottle rockets. I don't have much room, so I gotta deal with what I have, you know. I guess we'll start over here on the table. These are just tubes for the shells. Got a soda can. I got most of the pack of Neon Vipers. These things freaking hit. Like, they hit crazy. I got 2 of these 20-inch Magnum cone fountains. They're heavy, man. They're super heavy. If you haven't seen a video on them, go check it out because they're pretty sick. I got Rising Proud. I think it's 49 shots. I don't remember. I got Trump 2024. That's a really nice cake too. I got MF Boom. I got a Balrog. I got a Urokai. That's how you say it. I don't want to sound stupid. I got a Drum and Bass 100 shotter. I got Exploding Stars 100 shot. I got a kit of the vibranium shells. I got a kit of the double plays. Pack of the Nightwings. Those 2 packs right there are Halo shells. They're just left over from last year. I got 4 packs of these Reaper rockets. Those things are loud, man. I got 4 more packs of these Welcome to the Skies. Really good color rockets. I got 2 of these 2-inch artilleries, and I got 1 of these Welcome to the Jungles left. I got 2 of these brown wrap salute candles and a pack of the magical Roman candles. These things are freaking big. I got 4 packs of these devil rockets left. I got 2 of these 3-stage rockets and 1 of the 2-stage rockets. And going behind me, I got Spider-Man. I got a Cuphead, Minion, Beware of Dog, Incredibles, Mr. Freeze, Patriotic Blonde. I got 2 more of these TNT BAMs. These things are great for their size. They got really big tubes. I got Sea Beast, it's a new one, 100 shotter. Dreamweaver, the package got all jacked up, so it was buried. I got a Highfalutin. I got Uncle Sam, Rising Flowers, Wilder Days. I got 2 of these DCs, Golden King. I have some single shots in here too, I forgot about that. They're somewhere in here, but I got some single shots in there, believe me. I got Eclipse for the finale. And then I have like another 4 or 5 cakes and another half of a family pack at my house. This is just what I have right here at my mom's house. I don't have much room at my house, so she gave me a little bit of room here. But yeah, that's what I got for my 2023 4th of July. I'll be posting a lot more videos after the 4th. I might vlog my 4th, I don't know. Never done a vlog before. But we'll see how it goes.